everyone, good morning. Today is April 18, Friday time check. It's 10:20 in the morning. We're going out to watch a movie. Brent is already taking a bath, if you could hear him in the shower. Anyways, I'm going to show you my outfit of today. My striped button-down shirt is from H&M. My light wash mom jeans from Topshop. My shoes. This is just a Converse sneakers. The bag I'm currently using is my Chanel mini flap in silver, which I am not sure if I'll end up using it today kasi I'm contemplating between this one and my Palm Springs mini backpack. Let's see. Then back to my outfit. My jewelries, my 3 pairs of diamond stud earrings, my heart intertwined necklace, my diamond rings, which yung pina-adjust ko still umiikot pa rin siya. This is already in a size 4.5. My watch, Apple Watch. And then for my arm stack, I'm just wearing 3 bangles. My 2 Cartier-inspired love bracelet and my Forever Love bangle from Shariol. Yeah. There. I forgot to mention that we're going to watch a movie at Alcott Mall, and I'm going to use my new vlogging camera, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket. I love that it's compact and lightweight. It fits most of my mini bags, as you can see. Kasya siya sa aking Chanel mini flap. Hindi ako nakagawa ng unboxing for this device kasi very straightforward lang yung laman. Yung case, what is this one? Lanyard. The device itself, which is this one. Ito, para pwede mo siyang i-attach sa phone mo. One for iPhone and one for Android. Yung wire and also the manual. Ginamit ko to last Wednesday and so far I love it. It's just that nagkamali ako ng settings for the video for filming. Ginamit ko is yung Cine-like settings. I forgot the name. Naging parang cinematic yung mga footage ko, which I'm not really a fan of. Mas gusto ko yung automatic settings, yung normal lang. About the battery life, wala pa akong mako-comment kasi ngayon ko lang siya gagamitin ng matagal. Let's see if at the end of the day, I'll be turning to my iPhone for filming, which is parang ayoko nang gawin kasi nahihirapan akong mag-edit kapag yung video galing sa phone. Una-una yung video quality kapag ginagamit ko yung front-facing and yung back camera. Kasama na doon pati yung sound. Yung front-facing camera, malinaw yung audio, but kapag ka nasa likod, humihina yung audio. Lalo na ako yung madalas nag-film. While this one, yung video and sound quality niya is the same. This is also a gimbal. As you can see, isa na rin yung hindi nagiging shaky yung footage. I have posted this on my Instagram and someone asked me kung pwede ba ako gumawa ng review between GoPro and this one. I have realized na hindi ko sila pwedeng i-compare. Ito lang masasabi ko, kung action camera yung gamit nyo, go for GoPro. Durability, yung quality, yung mga accessories niya is kompleto. While for vlogging, I highly recommend this one. Nasabi ko nga very small. Hindi halata na vlogging camera siya. So, hindi nakakailang mag-vlog in public. Also, hindi magiging shaky yung footage nyo. Yeah, yun lang masasabi ko for now. Anyways, I'm using my Canon G1X Mark III for vlogging now. I have decided na kung dito sa bahay, ito yung gagamitin ko para maganda yung quality ng video. Or kapag outdoor, kapag katulad naman ng mall, especially dyan sa Alcott, na madalas namin puntahan and bawal yung gintong camera, ito yung gagamit ko pang vlog. Ang haba na ng sinabi ko, mag-vlog ako later sa Alcott. Let's see what will happen today. Later.
Ayaw ni Daddy ko nagaganyan ako.
Huh?
Ayaw ni Daddy. I look silly.
It sounds like I did not know you know how to do that.
I know how to do that. I used to do that when I was younger.
You liked it?
Just to annoy someone.
Why?
It's annoying.
We're in the car. Ayun na si Alan driving. There's Brent at the back. I-rotate ko siya. Facing the road. Okay. Yeah, boy! Prayer time kasi, kaya maraming cars na nakapark. We're near a mosque, kaya ganyan. Current time, it's 12:04 in the afternoon.
Spaceships. Yeah, like.
I don't know, but we learned it in English. And Spanish literature have right it have 59 ingredients.
Should. Because
File a case.
nuggets should not have.
File a case against them.
We make wrong.
So, mali. Dapat,
We want to park in the
this is the old Alcott.
parking. Yes.
Nagkamali siya. Dito kami ngayon sa roundabout.
Yeah.
This is the new Alcott.
New and improved.
New and improved Alcott.
And the other one,
Right?
the other one, old and not popular anymore.
Yeah. Ano na lang siya, grocery, Sultan Center. May mga ano pa rin naman, restaurant. Pero dun sa may fountain na lang. Ay, si ate. Tagal pa niya.
My God, my gold mine looks ugly. Why does it look dark?
Because you will.
Loko kang bata ka talaga. Sa taas tayo eh. Ito na eh. Going up. And 2. Yeah.
No? It smells like steel. No, it's not. Da-na-na-na. I have an invisible chair. M2 formed. What does M2 even mean? Mall 2?
Mezzanine 2, sorry.
Going up. I know what it
English. Ah, this one. Okay. Thank you. WW C where's Z? H. Done. Pwede rin QR, yung i-scan na lang. Hindi ko ginawa na lang yun. Nasa email ko, if ever. Ayan. QR. Tagal ah. Here na. Inalkot. Thank you. Thank you so much. Here's our ticket. Mamaya pa naman, mga 1:45 yung start ng movie. And we're going to watch Shazam. Tinutopak? Bakit parang ayaw mag-smile? Ito kami.
Paano pag nawala sa to?
Bibili sila na electric guitar. We're here at Yamaha. Paul. Si Angel. Grand piano.
Parang jamming sila nila.
1,656 KD. This one is color black. It's 4,089 KD. Grand piano. Drums. Dahan-dahan.
Ano to? Pang-video.
May agad na po yan. Kasi, pwede na may wang bar na yan.
Wala kasi yung handle.
Nalalagyan ng ano. Hindi, agad.
Ano din yung handle?
Yun yung wami bar. Ayan. Maple kasi sir. Maple mo yung kasi ito rose wood. Yung nakagandaan.
Parang hindi siya blue na blue. Parang may pagka-violet. Parang ganon.
Sure ka? Ito ang gusto mo?
Red. Baka gusto mo red.
Ayaw mo ng red? Red ka?
At least to set red.
May amplifier na siya.
May kasama? Ito. Magkano ganyan? Magkano ganyan?
Check ko sana baka may
May amplifier, no? Nasaksak mo na.
Okay. Oo.
so,
Oo. Mas gusto ko siya para mga saxophone. Mas sexy. Ito, mga ganito. Mura lang pala to. Ito, pinag-aaralan nila, Bren. Sa school. Recorder. This one. Ganda. Ito, violin. We're here at Glow. Hi! Bubble waffle. Dalawa. Yung scoop uli, mint chocolate yung isa. Tapos sa akin, strawberry. Dine-in na lang. Thank you. Ito yung mga flavor nila. Peanut Crunch, Reese's, Pistachio and Cardamom. Vanilla, Lebanese Ashta, chocolate, mint chocolate chip, coffee, lotus, lychee and rose dates, salted caramel, pink grapefruit, citrus lime, strawberry. They also have vanilla mochi, mango mochi, and mango ice cream pie, coffee, ice cream pie, tropical lime, ice cream pie. Yeah. Gagawin na nila yung bubble waffle. Can I see yours? Okay, Brent mint chocolate ice cream, and mine is strawberry on bubble waffle. Yes, it can.
Why fall down?
Yeah, kind of scary also. Thank you. Nalito ako ng slide. Dito ba? Honey, mali yung pinasukan mo.
exit lang.
Ano ba? Honey, ito. Wow.
Cute naman pala eh.
Ang cute!
Diba?
Meron pa pong isa. May-
Parang
Ah, meron pa. Okay. Si Brent, what are you... Meron pa, wait ka lang. I will take a picture.
With frosting?
Oo nga. Let's see.
What's this?
Cakes. Oh, may
No,
macaron.
this. Pandan?
Pondan.
Pandan?
Ano? Ito, pandan? Hindi yung pandan, loko-loko. Pistachio ata. Ayan. Ayan. Then, ito. Ah, okay. Scones. Wow. Thank you. You want cake? Yeah. PM. And ang battery ko is 69 or 68%.
Mommy, you know mammals.
Hinaharangan na nila, honey, eh.
Mommy, you know mammals produce milk for their babies.
Yes. Because they have mammary glands.
Mali naman yung harangan nila eh.
Yeah. Ayun, no? Baka kasi iba nagpa-park dyan dahil sa Alcott Mall. Hindi sa hindi sila dun sa indoor or multi-level parking. Dyan sila nagpa-park. Ayaw magbayad. Ayan, no? Car park full. Kumbaga, hindi naman lahat nag-grocery. Nagpa-park dyan. Kasi nga naman, di ba, yun, no, may... Anong tawag doon, honey? Overpass? Current time, it's 6:44 PM and my battery percentage is 67%.
Sleeping?
Hindi siya maganda sa low light.
Yeah. Okay. Did you see?
Yeah. Ayan, medyo... No, hindi talaga. That's talking.
Bye.
Sorry. My screen. Nagpalit lang siya ng damit. Tapos, ayan, nag-treadmill agad. Drink ng water, ha? Don't forget. Tsaka medyo bagalan mo, ha? Don't force yourself. Pawis na agad. Next! Ito yung binili namin. Ito siya, Yamaha Gig Maker electric guitar. Ito yung mga kasama. It has strings, winder, tuner, gauge set, picks, strap, cable, amplifier, gig bag, and yung guitar. Tapos ito, binili sa akin ni Alan, yung basic lang, acoustic guitar. Yan, color black. Dalawa yung color nito, yung isa yung wood. Tapos ang kinuha ko itong black pick. So I like black. Yan, wala lang. Para may magawa lang dito sa bahay. Aside from watching TV. And, yeah, cleaning the house.